Hello traders, today is the 30th of June. I just finished my London morning session and we had amazing trades, especially in pound dollar and pound yen and pound Swiss franc and dollar CAD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the major currency pair, pound dollar, euro USD and the dollar CAD. Euro USD, if you look at the 4 hour, as I mentioned you yesterday, if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, feel free. The video link is given in the video description. You can watch it. And as explained to my trader this morning, even yesterday, if the price is going to respect this resistance, a possibility of another pullback short trade here, and that's what exactly we have taken, this small short trade here. That analysis I did last night on the at the Asian session. You can see here this was the analysis, and price nicely developed another triangle pattern. That's the level we were expecting a breakout, and you can see here price nicely broken, and some of the traders are still holding short and expectations price might gonna hit this previous low, or might gonna hit at the daily support level, which is 164.56 level. So let's see how that's gonna go. Let me share with you guys the pound dollar. That was the very good trade on pound dollar, bank beautiful pips most of my traders this morning. And if you look at the pound dollar and look at the 4 hour, the first priority we were looking here at the, as you can see here, pullback short, which we have taken this small breakout, bank beautiful pips, and once the price develop a double bottom, then we have also taken a long trade, counter long trade here. Let me share with you the analysis. If you look at the analysis, and yesterday, as I mentioned in my analysis review, we had a very small counter long trade, as you can see here. This was the analysis as I mentioned. So this morning, just before the London Open, you can see here we did this analysis. We were looking this breakout pattern. As you can see here, price nicely broken. Another way which we explained to trader, that look at the market condition right now in intraday. You can see here head and shoulder pattern develop, and we have the major resistance level. We had a beautiful breakout short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what we explained to trader, is bank some profit and look for another pullback, which technically develop another pullback, bank beautiful pips here. And afterwards, we look at the price is respecting the previous low, and it's looked like a reversal. So what I did, updated another analysis instantly. As you can see here, this was the analysis. If you look at the previous price action here in the intraday, and price respected these levels many times. And if you look at here, sort of like you can see inverted head and shoulder pattern. But the safest way I explained to trader, if the price is going to break this level, and if this level, then we're going to take a counter long trade here, which you can see here, price nicely broken. And if you look at the previous price action, which we explained to trader, that if you look at here, the price developed and broken the previous high. After the breakout, price came back and retest. That give us the confirmation, and another confirmation is breakout. And look at in 4 hour, price develop a double bottom. That give us the another information. And as you can see here, beautiful breakout, momentum developed bullish. We had a beautiful counter long trade afterwards, and bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. So you can see we had a short trade this morning. Afterwards, based on the price action in a 4 hour, price developed double bottom. We had a beautiful breakout long trade on pound dollar. So we had a both short and long on pound dollar. All right, so let's move on to the look at the price. If the price gonna break this level, then possibility of long, and if the price respect, then possibility of short. Just keep in mind, guys, today is the last trading day of the month, so technically momentum is developed bullish. As you can see here, if the price is broken previously, and if you see the price develop another pullback, am going to consider another pullback, and if the price fail to maintain this level, that give us the confirmation of continuity. So we'll let you know, guys, later on. And we had a bank beautiful pip this morning. And let me share with you the dollar CAD. We had a very interesting long trade this morning. As you can see here, we had a very strong bullish momentum. And let me share with you guys the analysis. I did this analysis. This is the analysis from yesterday. You can see here bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, this morning, just before London Open, I did another analysis, guys. The price developed upside channel pattern. So what we're looking here, possibility of pullback at this level, and that's the first priority. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback as soon as the price broke on this channel, and we explained to trader because the price was about to the major resistance level, and that's why we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here we had a beautiful long trade, beautiful pips on dollar CAD. So you can see we also had a beautiful short trades on Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar, and especially in pound yen. So right now, as you can see here, what's the price action is telling us, the price tried to break this, and this is a false breakout. That's the good sign of reversal, but let's see what sort of candle is going to perform. The safest way is always mentioned to traders that if the price break and retest and develop pullback, then we should be taking a counter. Otherwise, we're going to stay with the momentum on the dollar CAD. Let me share with you another trade, which we had a beautiful long trade. That was the pound yen. We had a both long and short. Let me share with you the pound yen trade. That was an interesting trade, both cable, pound dollar and pound yen. So you can see here this morning, I did the analysis. Look at the scenario here. In 4 hour, we have an inside candle pattern, bearish inside candle pattern, and that give us the confirmation. And look at the scenario which developed in intraday. We had a beautiful breakout, price nicely hit to the fifth channel. We have another pullback, and once the price developed double bottom, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So we can see we had a 2 short trades, bank beautiful pips. Afterwards, as always, as you can see here, price developed a double bottom. That give us the confirmation price might going to reverse. As I said to you, my trader, as you can see, that's the analysis I did and explained to trader. Look at this one, inverted head and shoulder pattern in intraday. That give us the confirmation, the safest way if the price is going to break the previous high. You can see here price nicely broken. Another one, if you look at here, this is the another wedge which you explain here. In intraday, we have another breakout. As soon as the price hit this for the first target, this is the final target, which is if you look at the previous high in 4 hour. So we nicely banked beautiful pips on pound yen. Amazing trade. So right now it's look like the price is developing a bullish engulfing candle. Let's see, guys, at the New York session, if the price gonna break this previous high, then probably gonna be taking a pullback long. So guys, you can see here we had a beautiful pips on pound yen and pound dollar and dollar CAD. We had only few pips on EURUSD. Still, most of the traders are holding short. Let's see how it is gonna go. Yes, you can see here Aussie dollar, beautiful. You can see here pullback short trade here, bank beautiful pips. We have a beautiful pips on even, I think, in Kiwi dollar too. Let me share with you the Kiwi dollar. Where's the Kiwi dollar here? Yeah, you can see here. That's the, I haven't updated that analysis, but you can see here based on this pullback, price nicely developed beautiful pullback. As you can see here, price nicely, hit to the previous low, bank beautiful pips. All right, guys, that's, you can see, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As I always said to you guys, the most important thing is you should be watching these analysis in the real time and banking pips in real time and developing your trading skills in real time. Even if you don't have forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, my main objective is to train trader through live intraday analysis in the real time so they can develop their trading skill effectively. Once they develop their trading skills, we can also open door for funding from pop firms. If you are interested how I coach and train through this platform in real time and help my traders to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Even if you are experienced trader, most welcome, guys. As you see, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy banking pips alongside with my professional trader. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice time, and until next time, all the best.